everyone, today we are going to talk on the topic leadership and team building. So let's get started. Leadership. Leadership is a process whereby an individual influences a group of individuals to achieve a common goal. In simple words, it is one of the most important function of management as it involves directing, influencing and motivating employees or people. Leadership stands for a good leader should have all the qualities in him. L. Listen twice as much as you speak. If you are speaking, then you should have the power to listen too. E. Encourage people to take risks. She should have the capability to motivate people. A. Assess the fact before making decision. Before making any decision, she should assess or check all the facts, as without assessing the facts, if he is making any decision, then the decision can also give a negative impact. E. Expect people to do their best. This is a self-explanatory point. R. Respect those who are under and above you. If you are respecting them, then you are getting the respect too. S. Solve problem with actions. If you come to know that there is some problem, then you immediately have to take action. H. Honor your words. It simply means actions speak louder than words. Your work should speak louder than your words. Include other in the process, as one cannot do all the tasks, so you should involve everyone in the task. P. Praise publicly and correct them privately. If you are praising a person publicly, then she is getting motivated. But if you are correcting him publicly, then he is getting demoralized. Effective leadership. Team leaders who is able to help member achieve the objective and build the team. Team leader who can draw out and free up the skills of all the team members, develop individuals. A team leader should set the goal or the objective. This will help in building team, and should see what skill employee is having, so that he can assign that task to the person. Leadership traits. Honest. A person should be honest to the company. His words and actions should do the same. Not like this, I am speaking something but I am doing opposite to what I have spoken. Cooperative and caring. Build relationship. A good leader is a one or a person who is having a leadership quality should have a building relationship trait in it. Adapt to others. Do unto others as they would like to be do unto. Adapt to the environment. If the whole group is saying that they want to go by this strategy, then go with that strategy. Competence. When a quick decision must be made, make it. If a situation come where you have to take a quick decision, then make it, don't delay it. Self management, empower yourself to make your own choice about your time. Self management is one of the most important trait of leadership. Attributes of leaders: be loyal to the organization, be responsible towards the organization. No, a leader who is having a good leadership quality should know himself, should have the human nature, know the human nature, should know about the job, should know about the organization. Do provide direction. A good leader is a one who is having a leadership of providing the directions, implementing the directions, and motivating the subordinates. Manager and leaders. Leaders provide vision and strategy, and managers implement that vision and strategy, coordinate and staff the organization and handle day-to-day problems. In other words, manager is one who promotes stability, while leaders press for change, and only organization that embrace both sides of the contradiction can survive in turbulent times. Team building. Team building. What is team stands for? T, training. E, encouraging. A, aim. M, motivation. Or together everyone achieve more. Team means we, not I. It means we. Coming together is a beginning of a team. Keeping together is process of a team, and working together is success of a team. Key factors to successful performance of team. Strategy. A team should have a strategy so that team should achieve the goal. Clear role and responsibility. Roles and responsibilities should be clear. More responsibility, one should not get to more responsibilities, and the other should get nominal responsibilities. No, everyone should get the equal responsibilities according to their capabilities. Open communication. The communication should not be done privately, it should be done openly. Rapid responses. The responses should be there. If we are communicating, then responses should be there. So responses, rapid responses should be there. And effective leadership. Key role in team building. Motivation. Team building means motivating one and another. Unity and diversity. A team should have variety of people. Not everyone should have same traits or same characteristics or like that. Broad perspective. Team should have a broad perspective. Team should have a goal, organization, orientation. Goal should be there for a team that they have to achieve that goal. Determination. They should have a determination too. Team building focus on contribution. Everyone in team has to contribute. Develop a participation role. Everyone has to develop the role, have to participate in it. Promote team responsibility. Everyone should have the responsibility towards the team toward achieving the goal. Establish objective together. If the team is working, like one is working on some goal and the other is working on the other goal, then the goal can't be achieved. So they should have established an objective together. Team behavior. Team behavior should be friendly, enthusiastic, feedback, generating ideas, initiative should be taken, solving problems, encouraging others. Now, relationship between leadership and team building. While leadership and team work are different virtues, they are strongly related in business, sports, the military, and volunteerism. It is easy to state that leaders lead while team follow the leaders to reach goals and objectives. Yet great teams have superior leaders as members. To praise a common communication of solid leadership, leaders are people that other people want to follow. However, most outstanding leaders are also equal accomplished team players. A leader should have a good leadership, and that leader is a part of a team. The leadership is building the team. So, if the leader is having a good leadership, good quality of leadership, then his team building power must be strong and the organization is getting benefit of it, as everyone will be working towards the goal concentrated. Thank you.